morning. Whew. Look like I just woke up. That's because I did. I'm at my favorite Waldy, and this makes me a little nervous. I don't know what that is. I hope they're not going to start getting rid of their food. I should go look. You know, like Walmart. Oh no, it says food and organics recycling. Yikes. There's stuff there. I guess we get what we can while we can.
And there's Helen with her pick of the day. Her new Bluetooth earbuds. Right out of the Aldi dumpster. She's got her charging cord and her little carrying case.
Don't forget to fill out your warranty.
That's right. Read those directions, Helen. Technology is confusing. And then once you read them, explain the directions to me.
Mm-hmm. So they work, huh?
She's so modern.
They do work.
They do work. Frugal Daddy charged them for you, didn't he, Helen?
Tested them.
She's so happy. Look how happy she is. Aw. Like a raccoon with grapes. Frugal Dad's is back. Oh, aren't you cool? Well, you got your MTV.
Mm-hmm.
All right, potatoes. Potatoes. Farmer's Promise. You look like good baking potatoes. Enjoy, yeah, baked mashed. They're russet potatoes, as are these.
Yeah,
That's like a 3-pounder, and this is an 8-pounder. This is a big bag. I remember a time my mom got like a 50-pound bag of Long Island potatoes out in Long Island, right from the fields, for like 50 cents.
Wow.
I know.
That's those big nylon ones, or it was a bag of, like burlap, right?
It was burlap.
Yeah.
And then she made me a dress out of the burlap.
Mm-hmm.
And we have a cucumber, onions. We've been doing well lately with onions.
Yes,
So you've
lots
been
of
doing
onions.
very well lately with onions. Some tomatoes. Excellent.
I want to try the
Vadayas.
the bloomin' onion thing. We've never tried
Bloomin'
that.
onion with the vadayas.
We've had that forever, and I've never tried it.
What are you talking about?
We cut it. Do you remember what was it?
We have a
Lone
cutter?
Star Saloon or something, or what was that?
No. What do you say?
It was back in the
Have you been drinking?
80s, 70s, 80s. There was
I thought it was the Outback Steakhouse.
Outback, Outback, yeah. The bloomin' onion.
The
Well,
bloomin'
they make a little kit that you can make a bloomin' onion out of. We have it.
The
I think we
way
have
you say
two
it,
of
it
them.
sounds like a swear word every time you say bloomin'.
Bloomin' onion.
3 thingies of strawberries. We have the lettuce. You're gonna do blooming onions. Have you ever actually had a blooming onion?
I've had them, yes.
Limes. I've never gone to Outback Steakhouse.
Oh, they were good.
I've never gone to frond it. I've never gone to Outback Steak. I think once when I lived in Georgia, I think my ex-husband and I were gonna go, but the line, it was like a 2-hour wait, and it's like,
But worth it.
Is it worth it? Is a
Oh,
bloomin'
yeah.
onion worth 2 hours?
No, the whole
Experience,
yeah.
is it? Limes, lots of limes.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful, beautiful limes.
Yes.
Apples and oranges.
Pink lady.
Mm-hmm.
Pink lady.
Oranges, apples, melons, grapes, zucchini.
Oh,
No,
yeah,
those
zucchini.
are zucchini.
I opened it so you can see.
Oh, you sure did.
Very neat.
Yeah, pretty good. Okay, we've got a 4-pack of protein yogurts, the Very Berry Happy Mary flavor. We have some prosciutto. Say it.
Prosciutto?
No, the way Tony Soprano said it.
Prosciutto.
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 Double goal!
Really good.
So the prosciutto, great for the grill. Butterflied lamb leg. Oh God, the butterflied his leg. Raw stuffed chicken breast, chicken cordon bleu. It looks like they did a little slitting problem again, but it looks like the little things inside are individually wrapped.
Mm-hmm.
A little perfect snack. You know, chicken cordon bleu, since we're speaking of it, is one of the first things I learned how to make, like to really cook.
Why don't we have
Isn't
it? I
that
like
kind of
it.
weird? Like, that was because my mom had a lot of dinner parties, and we often served that. And so I was in charge of putting the ham and cheese inside the chicken. We've got bananas. We've got honey wheat pretzels. We've got the great big jumbo pack of chicken breasts with a use by or freeze by date of August 1st, which is quite a ways away. It's shrink wrapped. It's vacuum packed. I don't smell anything from here, but we'll find out when we open it up. All right. Do you think has Helen seen any of this? Does Helen have
I don't
a
know.
pick?
She doesn't like the outdoors when it's too hot.
I know. Well, the bugs too.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go check inside. And there's Helen with her pick of the day. Her new Bluetooth earbuds. Right out of the Aldi dumpster. She's got her charging cord and her little carrying case.
Don't forget to fill out your warranty.
That's right. Read those directions, Helen. Technology is confusing. And then once you read them, explain the directions to me.
So they work, huh?
She's so modern.
They do work.
They do work. Frugal Daddy charged them for you, didn't he, Helen?
tested them.
She's so happy. Look how happy she is.